So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at palm striking, hitting open hand. You're basically hitting with this part right over here into the face, right? You could also use it to double palm strike or to actually push away. So what we're going to be looking at is using the palms. Now, whether I'm training adults or kids, it's the same concept. I prefer hitting open hand. It has a quicker release, a better follow through where I can trap, grab, I can push, I can pull, and again, less chances of busting my knuckles or my hands. So Noah's gonna get in position. Now what I did, I put the bob dummy and I put a black tape. The reason why I put the black tape, you wanna make sure that you're not linear. So one foot is in the middle, the other one is over here, and if you go the other side. Now, if you're probably asking, Nick, which foot should go forward? If you're a righty, the left leg goes forward. If you're a lefty, the right leg goes forward. And we're going to be taking every strike from a passive stance. So both hands parallel this way, okay? So Noah, get in over here. Over here. Bring up your hands. So your hands are here like a passive stance, right? As if you're talking to him. You're trying to make sure you keep your distance like a shield. Now from there, Noah's going to do a palm strike. So what he's going to do, don't do it yet. You're going to go 1, 2. So you're hitting with the palm this way and that way, okay? Ready? You're just going to go 1, 2, go. Good. Nice. Breathe. Good. Great. Excellent. Now, you can see what you want to do when you're palm striking. You want to make sure you're turning those hands, right? That you're hitting with the palm and not with just your fingers or your hand. You're bringing the wrist back and you're striking into the nose, into the face, whatever you hit, you hit. Now, what Noah was doing was great. You're also taking a step. So if you're boxing, it's a jab, cross. The only difference is you're going 1, 2. Let's get you back in here, Noah. Do a couple of more. Ready? So hands up from your shield, passive position, like you're talking. Obviously, you want to try to avoid, diffuse. You want to, keep the bully away, right? If at any point you decide to strike, if he's grabbed you, and we're going to be looking at common attacks later. So palm striking, again, palm strike, go. 1, good. 2, nice. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent work, Noah. Now, the same thing you could do, right? Just like you're palm striking here. Okay, I'm gonna move the dummy. Just like you're palm striking, you could also use your hands to push him back, right? So you're gonna use both hands and you're gonna push him back, right? Maybe you wanna warn him, you wanna push him back, you don't wanna fight, you just wanna create a distance and send a message to him. So you're gonna go with both your hands, step in and hit the chest 10 times for him. 1, from the shield, hands up, 2, good, 3, 4, wait, fix your stance, good, 5, hands up like you're talking, go, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. What's really important when you're palm striking is to make sure to put your hip behind it, take a step, and put your body in it, right? Now, you could do this, you could also, if you don't have a bob dummy, you could do it with focus pads, you could do it with a pillow. Again, they're good reminders to make sure to turn the wrist, drive the hip, make sure to step in and put your body behind the whole strike. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.